on page 9, and this is number 5, another one that got split off from its stuff. Kayla made observations about the selling price of a new brand of coffee that sold in 3 different sized bags. She recorded those observations in the following table that you'll have to flip your packet over to see. This is on page 10. You have ounces of coffee, price in dollars, and you have those different things right here. So first question, is the price proportional to the amount of coffee? And then also why or why not? So I'm looking, it says price proportional to amount. So we know that we have to set it up as the dollars over the ounces because it's the price to the amount. This is where a lot of kids were messing up when we were working on this in class because they just want to put them just like they are in the table. So if you look at what's going on here, we've got $2.10, the price of the coffee, and that's 6 ounces. So if you take and divide that, it's going to come out to 0.35, which if you remember from lesson 1 means 35 cents per ounce. So if you wanted to, you could keep going with this and do that 2 more times, and they're going to come out. I'll put ... there to show that you could keep doing that 2 more times, and they will come out to 0.35. A lot of kids really are going for that multiplier. You just have to figure out what's getting multiplied by what. Is it $2.10 getting multiplied by 35 cents to get the 6? Nope. So it must be 6 ounces getting multiplied by 35 cents an ounce to get the $2.10, and that is $2.10. There's just they don't have the extra 0 on the end there. It means the same thing. So we can show our multiplier like this. The ounces are getting multiplied by 35 cents to get the $2.10. The 8 is multiplying by the 35 cents to get the $2.80. And the 16 gets multiplied by 0.35 to get $5.60. And again, that's the multiplier way, but you could have kept your ratios going and figured it out the same way. So is the price proportional to the amount of coffee? And we have that deeper level of thinking now. So using correct vocabulary, we're going to say yes, price is proportional to the amount because, my little abbreviation for because there is a common, and if you did this way and you found out the unit rate each time, you would say there's a common unit rate. But if you did this, you'd say that there's a common multiplier. Or using our new vocabulary that was on the white piece of paper. Whoops, I keep forgetting it's not there. Here's where the white piece of paper was from page 7. The new vocabulary we had was a constant of proportionality, which I said in your notes you could write constant of proportionality. Now that we have that information in letter B, this was a learning target, our second learning target that we've had that said we would use the tables, the information in the tables, to be able to answer word problems. So we're going to use that relationship to predict the cost of a 20-ounce bag of coffee. So 20 ounces isn't in here. You could pretend it is. And so then we say, okay, what would the cost be? Now, looking at the information you have here, you've got it's 35 cents per ounce, or you can see that your ounces are getting multiplied by 35 cents, and then stop and think about what calculation you would do. You would just take the 20 ounces, multiply that by the 35 cents, 0.35, and see what it comes out to. comes out to 7. So then answering it, 20-ounce bag of coffee would be, or would cost, you need a label in there, dollar signs go in front, $7. Boom.